Hello, creative people! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of drawing and watercolor. If you liked today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. The materials and colors used are in the video description. I've left the link to download the drawing template in the video description. It's completely free, and you don't need to fill out any forms. For the rose, I mixed Quinacridone rose with Prussian blue and started from the center of the flower. I draw the edges of the petals, and then, with a damp brush, I spread the paint. This way, the edge of the petal becomes more evident. For the orchid petals, I used Payne's gray with Prussian blue. I teach the technique for this flower and other flowers in my book, Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of Sketches. There's also the book, Watercolor with Flavor, Delights Without the Use of Sketches. The books are for sale on Amazon. Links to buy and download are in the video description. Take advantage. There's still 3 for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. To make the other petals in a cone shape, I put a little Quinacridone rose on the tips. Let's take advantage of the paper still being damp and make the grooves. After the paper dries, draw the center of the orchids. Now we'll use a mixture of sap green and madder lake to make the foliage. In the background, I made a mixture of sap green and yellow ochre. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own watercolor flowers. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Until next time, and thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.